Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without low-fall restrictions. Policy safe. New year, new me, be like. Same human, same face, but hopefully with a few upgrades. 1. New year, new me. Fresh year, fresh goals, fresh excuses to buy a new planner. 2. New year, better me. I'm not trying to become perfect, just slightly less chaotic. 3. Same me, upgraded version. Think of it as a software update, hopefully without the bugs. 4. New year, new habits. This year, I'm replacing procrastination with productivity eventually. 5. New year, fresh start. Yesterday's mistakes are lesson, not permanent decorations. 6. New year, bigger dreams. Dream big, work hard, and remember to sleep sometimes. 7. New year, healthier me. More water, more movement, and fewer snacks mysteriously disappearing. 8. New year, stronger mindset. Problems may knock, but I'm learning not to open the door for everyone. 9. New year, more confidence. I'm walking into this year like I belong here because I do. 10. New year, less drama. I'm choosing peace over unnecessary arguments. My popcorn budget thanks me. 11. New year, more kindness. Being kind costs nothing and can make someone's entire day better. 12. New year, better priorities. Less worrying about what I cannot control. More focusing on what I can. 13. New year, more courage. I'm going to ask for help when I need it instead of pretending I know everything. 14. New year, more learning. Every mistake can become a lesson if I'm willing to learn from it. 15. New year, less procrastination. I'll stop saying I'll do it tomorrow. Tomorrow is getting tired of me. 16. New year, more gratitude. Appreciate the little things because they often become the big things. 17. New year, better communication. Talk things out instead of turning every misunderstanding into a mystery series. 18. New year, more patience. Not everything needs an immediate reaction. Sometimes, taking a breath is the power move. 19. New year, healthier relationship. Surround yourself with people who respect, support, and encourage you. 20. New year, stronger boundaries. Saying no politely doesn't make you rude. It means you know your limits. 21. New year, more adventure. Try something new even if it is your first attempt. Looks hilariously questionable. 22. New year, more creativity. Give your imagination permission to go wild but maybe keep it legal. 23. New year, more discipline. Motivation comes and goes but good habits can keep you moving. 24. New year, fewer excuses. Replace I can with let me see what I can do. 25. New year, more self-respect. Treat yourself with the same kindness you give to others. 26. New year, more positivity. Life isn't perfect, but there's always something worth appreciating. 27. New year, more progress. You don't have to change everything overnight. Tiny steps still counts. 29. New year, same sense of humor. Growth is important, but laughing along the way makes the journey better. 30. New year, best version of me. I am not competing with everything else. I'm simply trying to be better than I was yesterday. Remember, you don't need to become a completely different person. Just keep growing, keep learning, stay kind, and enjoy the journey. Happy New Year!